we have to perform the indicated operations and simplify. First, we have to do whatever we have in parentheses. So let's see what we have first. We have 1 plus this whole algebraic fraction. So to add this algebraic fraction, we need to have a common denominator. We have 1 here, so I can rewrite 1 that this is, because we have denominator here 2yz, so I can put that this is 2yz over 2yz. 2yz divided by 2yz is 1. So I have still the same value, but now I have the same denominator with the second fraction. So it will be, let me copy, we have y squared minus x squared plus z squared over 2yz. You see the same denominator, so we can add these two algebraic fractions. Let me put this in brackets. And next we have times. In the numerator we have addition of algebraic fractions, so again we have to have the same denominator. The same denominator will be x times y plus z. So I need to multiply y plus z times x. Whatever I did in the denominator, I have to do the same with numerator. So 1 will be times x. So this is x, and we have plus. Next we have only x. And we have in the denominator to have y plus z times x. So I have to multiply that x by y plus z. So I have to multiply numerator 1 by the same expression, y plus z. So this is our numerator, and the denominator, the common denominator for x and yz will be xyz. So let me put in the same order, y plus z times x will be, so we have only x at the beginning. I multiply this denominator by y plus z, so I have to 1 multiplying by y plus z. Y times 1 times y plus z is 1 plus z. So we have first fraction minus y plus z times x. So I have to multiply 1 times x, because I multiply denominator by x. I have to do the same with the numerator. So this is equal. Let me put this in brackets. This is the main fraction bar. So this is equal. Next, the same denominator, so we can add these two fractions. We have in denominator 2yz, and now we add 2yz plus y squared minus x squared plus z squared we have, and we have times. And now first in the numerator we have to copy the numerator y plus z times x, and now we add numerators, so will be x plus y plus z over, we have the numerator y plus z times x, and we have to subtract numerators, so y plus z minus x we have. So this is equal, because we have here yz, so first I put y squared, let me do this, y squared, next we have plus 2yz, and next I can put plus z squared, and at the end minus x squared. We have over 2yz times, and now when we cannot do anything in the numerator and in the denominator, so we will change this fraction bar to division. So I have to copy first fraction in the numerator. We have x plus y plus z over y plus z times x, and we have division sign, and we have to put this in parent brackets, because first we have to do these operations. So we have division, I should copy brackets, and we have y plus z minus x over y plus z times x. So this is equal, close brackets. We have here y square plus 2yz plus z square. So this is square of sums. I can rewrite that this is y plus z to second power minus x square. And we have over 2yz. And we have times. And next we have to copy first fraction. Change division sign to multiplication, and we have to flip this fraction. So will be y plus z times x over y plus z minus x. Close brackets. So this is equal. Now we have multiplication, so we can reduce numerator with denominator, will be 1 and 1. So now we have here difference of two perfect squares. Let me remind you formula. When we have a square minus b square, this is a minus b times a plus b. And a in this example is equal y plus z, b is equal x. So now we can use this formula and we will have y plus z minus x times y plus z plus x over 2yz, and we have times this expression times 1, so will be x plus y plus z only, and in the numerator we have 1 times y plus z minus x. So I can put this in parentheses. So this is equal. Now we have multiplication. So we can reduce y plus z minus x with y plus z minus x. And what we have now? We have x, y, z. We can put in alphabetic order. X plus y plus z times x plus y plus z, so will be to second power over 2yz. This is my solution.